Hi, okay. How can I help you today?
I last week I brought this printer from your shop, and I think I have a problem with it.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Please have a seat.
Okay, thank you.
I see. Does the printer show any error message?
Yes, sometimes the shop the paper jam start. The paper jam error.
Okay, do you try to remove the paper or restart the printer?
Yes, I tried. The problem still open.
Alright, can I check the printer for a moment?
Yes, sure.
Do you have a receipt?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Let me check the receipt. Okay, you bought from me and you bought from us last week. So it's a still under warranty.
So you can repair it?
Yes, we can check the printer. First to find out what is causing the problem. If it's a hardware problem covered by the warranty, we can repair it and without any expenses.
I see. How long to repair?
It usually take about a 3 to 5 day working, depend on the problem.
So, okay, I will do that.
I understand we will try to repair it as soon as possible. Please make sure you remove any important document or paper from the printer before leaving it here. Great. We'll take care of the printer and contact you when it's ready.
Okay, thanks. Thank you for helping me.
You are welcome. Sorry for the convenience. Is there anything else I can help you?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Alright. Thank
Thank you.
you.